Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve organic chemistry for JEE. Start by mastering reaction mechanisms and electron flow, practice problems daily, and build a strong concept map for functional groups and reactivity. Use spaced repetition to retain named reactions and reagents, and summarize each topic in one page of notes. Solve previous JEE-style questions under timed conditions and review mistakes immediately to reinforce problem-solving speed and accuracy. Break study sessions into focused blocks and alternate between concept review and problem-solving to stay engaged. Make concise one-page summaries for each chapter and revisit them weekly using spaced repetition. Work on timed mock tests to build speed, then analyze every mistake carefully. Combine visual aids like mechanism maps with verbal explanations to strengthen recall and improve accuracy under exam pressure. Focus practice on reaction types and transformation patterns that appear often in JEE and master representative examples. After each problem set, categorize errors into concept, calculation, or careless mistakes and address them specifically. Gradually increase the difficulty and length of practice sessions to build stamina. Document recurring weak spots and review them during weekly sessions to convert weaknesses into reliable problem-solving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.